Founded in 1969 by Jan Melles and Dick Griot, Melles Griot has been a trusted name in high-precision optical components, lasers, and subsystems. From its iconic catalog to its reputation for reliable, high-volume OEM products, Melles Griot has pushed the boundaries of optics and photonics technology. Built on decades of expertise and over 100 years of collective engineering knowledge, Melles Griot delivers groundbreaking optical solutions. It enables life science OEMs with advanced instruments for high-resolution, high-throughput applications, including next-generation sequencing, spatial biology, and next-generation proteomics. Today, Melles Griot continues its legacy of reliability and innovation as part of the IDEX Health Science family. With expertise in precision imaging, optomechanics, lasers, and autofocus systems, Melles Griot delivers custom solutions for life science industries. Partner with us for the best innovation possible. Visit idex-hs.com/Melles Griot.